Working with NASA planetary science data and got an IMQ file? This is a raw planetary image format used in space exploration missions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and process these NASA planetary image files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized IMQ tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. IMQ files are planetary image files used by NASA for storing raw imagery from planetary exploration missions. They contain image data captured by spacecraft cameras with specialized headers describing acquisition parameters, spacecraft position, and target body information for scientific analysis. IMQ files use a custom NASA format with PDS-like headers describing image dimensions, bit depth, instrument parameters, acquisition timestamps, and target coordinates. The image data may be Huffman compressed with specific decompression algorithms required for proper image reconstruction and analysis. For full accurate reading of IMQ data, rely on PDS Tools package by NASA. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows can show the image, but transformations or enhancements require a graphics editor. To determine the correct decoder, right-click the IMQ file and select Open With. Prioritize PDS Tools package if available. If it's absent, select another application. Compatibility often surprises people. If you cannot access the IMQ file, no problem. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, opening with NASAView. Download NASAView from the NASA Planetary Data System website. This free viewer is specifically designed for IMQ and other planetary data formats. Use File then Open to load the IMQ file. NASAView displays the image with metadata, enabling scientific inspection and basic image manipulation. Next, using ISIS software. Install USGS integrated software for imagers and spectrometers. ISIS for advanced planetary image processing. ISIS supports IMQ files through specialized import commands enabling calibration, mosaicing, and detailed analysis. ISIS is the standard tool for serious planetary science image work. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use NASAView or ISIS commands to convert IMQ files to standard formats like TIFF, PNG, or JPEG. The converted images can be opened in any image viewer or editor. Note that conversion may lose scientific metadata important for research applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.